So now we are going to see the topic on the topic now is types of cyber attacks. So we have different types of cyber attacks which happen in the digital era. So a cyber attack is an exploitation of computer system and networks. It uses malicious code to alter computer code, logic or data and lead to cyber crimes such as information and identity theft. The cyber attacks can be classified into following categories: web-based attack and system-based attack. So web-based attack, these are all the attacks which occur on the website or web application. Some of the important web-based attacks are as follows: injection attacks. So it is an attack in which some data will be injected into the web application to manipulate the application and fetch the required information. Example: SQL injection, code injection, log injection, XML injection, etc. DNS spoofing. So denial of service. So this is DNS spoofing is a type of computer security hacking whereby a data is introduced into a DNS resolver cache and causing the name server to return an incorrect IP address, diverting traffic to the attacker's computer or any other computer. The DNS spoofing attack can go on for a long period of time without being detected and can cause serious security issues. Session hijacking. So it is the security attack on a user session over a protected network. Web application create its cookies to store the state and user sessions. By stealing the cookies, an attacker can have access to all of the user's data. So next attack is phishing attack. So it is a type of attack which attempts to steal sensitive information like user login, credentials and credit card number. It occurs when an attacker is masquerading as a trustworthy entity in electronic communication. And next is a brute force attack. So it is the type of attack which uses a trial and error method. This attack generates a large number of cases and validates them to obtain actual data like user password and personal identification number. This attack may be used by criminals to crack encrypted data or by security analysts to test an organization's network security. And next comes denial of service. So denial of service, it is an attack which meant to make a server or a network resource unavailable to the user. It accomplishes this by flooding the target with the traffic or sending it information that triggers a crash. It uses the single system and single internet connection to attack a server. It can be classified into the following, which includes volume based attack, protocol attacks and application layer attacks. So volume based attack, its goal is to saturate the bandwidth of the attacker site and is measured in bit per second. And protocol attack, it consumes actual server resources and is measured in a packet. And application layer attacks, its goals is to crash the web server and is measured in request per second. And next comes dictionary attacks. This type of attack stored the list of a commonly used password and validate them to get original password. Next is URL interpretation. It is the type of attack where we can change the certain part of URL and one can make a web server to deliver web pages for which he is not authorized to browse. And next is file inclusion attack. It is a type of attack that allows an attacker to access unauthorized or essential files which is available on the web server or to execute malicious files on the web server by making use of the include functionality. Then the last one is man in the middle attack. It is a type of attack that allows an attacker to intercept the connection between client and server and acts as a bridge between them. Due to this, an attacker will be able to read, insert and modify the data in the intercepted connection. And next is the system-based attack. So these are all the attacks which are intended to compromise a computer or computer network. Some of the important system-based attacks are as follows, and it will be discussed in next video. So this is This topic covers the type of attacks, that is web-based attack, and its types in this video, which includes 10 types of web-based attacks. Thank you.